Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both accounts exist and you can access them. Credentials or saved logins help. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. That's where the switch happens. Once on your profile, tap the username or the account drawer at the top of the screen to see available accounts, or choose Add Account if you haven't added it yet. This initiates the switching process without leaving the app, which is faster and keeps sessions intact. Next, select the account you want to switch to or add a new one. If you tap Add Account, enter username and password or use Facebook/SSO options to link it. Instagram may prompt to save your login, except to streamline future switching. Once signed in, the app links accounts and shows them in the drawer. Make sure two-factor prompts are approved. These steps create persistent sessions, so you can alternate accounts without repeated logins, keeping notifications separate and organized. Finally, switch by tapping the username or profile icon and selecting the desired account. Instagram immediately swaps the profile, feed, and composer so you can post from the correct identity. If you want to remove an account, go to Settings, Logins, Remove or Log Out to end that session. If switching fails, clear the app cache, update Instagram, or reset the account password. Also verify two-factor authentication codes. This troubleshooting tip usually resolves most switch-related errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.